Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, Only Wood Floors. Walking up the steps, coming in, Jorge. Doing the vinyl underlayment, Duralux. Let me turn you around so you got some day. There we go. The condominium over here in Laguna Woods. But all of this is going to be with this beautiful Duralux waterproof vinyl. Once this stuff goes down, it is extremely hard to tell that it's not wood. It even feels and has the grain of the wood. But doing some prep. It's going to be everywhere throughout the condo. Back bedroom, bathroom. What a difference it's going to make with this place. It's just going to open it up, give it a great look. See if I can get this in the light. You can even see the grain that when they make this stuff, it even has the texture. I think we're even going to do it out here on the back patio. So, walk you through here. I'm going to take some pictures. So, we're going to get busy. All right, guys. Any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we will answer all questions, even ones that aren't about floors.